Hands up if your vehicle is over 3 years old. Now, if it is, I'm going to make a bet with you that there is a bit of equipment on your vehicle that you have never checked and you really, really need to. Right, before I dive into that, let me introduce myself. My name is Kat from Wandering Bird, and I'm here to help motorhome and campervanners make the most of their time on the road and avoid getting themselves into trouble by not checking this essential bit of kit. You ready? Let's dive in. Right, if your vehicle is over 3 years old, whether you've had it from new or it's new to you, I want you to go and check your gas hoses, because gas hoses have an expiration date, and I guarantee most people, myself included until I found out about it, did not check these. And if you don't know, you don't know. It's not your fault, but it is really important to go and check the date that is actually on the hose, and then of course make sure that you replace it before the date happens. And to be fair, even if you have got a newer vehicle, there is no harm going to check the date on your gas hoses, making sure that people haven't used an old bit of hose or something like that when they fitted out your vehicle. Don't forget as well that you will have the hose that obviously goes to your gas bottles, which needs replacing by the time that date is shown, but you will also have a hose that goes to your fridge, and if assuming your fridge of course runs on gas, and also to your cooker. Now, it's reasonable to assume that the date that's on your gas hose is going to be the same for the hoses that go to the other appliances as well, so you can take that as a sort of guide, but make sure when that date comes near expiration that when you get those changed, you get a professional to change the ones going to your oven and to your fridge as well. It's a really, really quick, easy thing to do, but a lot of people don't know about it. That's it. Short, sweet, to the point. That's what I'm here for. If you found the video helpful, a thumbs up is always appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos about motorhoming and campervanning. And if you do want to know more about general maintenance and other things that you need to do in your van, then check out the information in the link below. I'll put that in the notes for you. Right, if you want to know more, you'll find this video helpful. Thank you as always for your time, and I will see you there. Take care. Bye.